Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today it seems that Tesla can't have a good day, right? I mean, we're going up 0.66% right now, but the NASDAQ is going up 1.33, so it seems Tesla can't engage in a bullish momentum for good like it did in the past. So I have a few answers to you, and in this video we are going to try to understand when Tesla could actually go up. So my friends, I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at Tesla's chart right now. See, guys, Tesla is in a sideways correction, okay? Since January 31, it is just moving erratically sideways, dancing around the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. The support levels, the main support levels are the Fibonacci's retracements down here, which are working amazingly well. But the problem is, the real problem is the resistance around $943, $44, this purple line up here. Tesla retested this purple line 1, 2, 3 times today, and it is dropping again. So yes, this is indeed our main resistance level. As long as we don't see it breaking this purple line, Tesla will not engage in a bullish momentum. But in my humble opinion, Tesla will break this purple line and we will engage in a bullish momentum at least to the 1K area. And I will explain to you guys why. When we analyze the NASDAQ index over here, we see that we have another gap to fill. Remember, gaps work as magnets for us. We already filled this first gap today. Right now we are having a rough time, so if we see some correction, naturally Tesla is going to correct as well to its retracements. That's okay, that's normal. But I don't see this ruining the bullish bias seen on the NASDAQ Composite Index, and I still believe this gap up here is going to be filled. It seems we have more 3.4% upside potential. Keep in mind that Tesla is on average, has an average beta of 2.01 accordingly to the NASDAQ's website. So Tesla's beta is 2.01, 2.04 depending on the website you look for. But in this scenario, since the NASDAQ is supposed to go up more 3.4% from here, Tesla could go up easily more 6 or even 7% from here, right? Meaning it could retest our target near the 1K, going up 7.30%. That's okay, that's acceptable. And the NASDAQ Composite would fill its gap, Tesla would hit its first target, and everything seems to make sense in this scenario. However, again, the problem is Tesla must break this purple line, and the NASDAQ Composite must do a better bullish structure. Right now, a pullback is expected because we are near a resistance, meaning that if Tesla drops, it could easily drop again to the $894 or even to the 50% retracement around $879 down here, and that's acceptable. It wouldn't ruin the bullish bias. The trend would still be bullish on the NASDAQ Composite. Tesla is not in a bull trend, but potentially it's going to follow the NASDAQ if it engages in a bullish momentum. So let's not panic if we see Tesla correcting sharply in the next few days. Of course, there is nothing confirming it's gonna do that. I'm just saying this because the NASDAQ, it seems the NASDAQ wants to correct. If it does, it's gonna drag Tesla down with it. However, in my humble opinion, the most stressful scenario for Tesla would be if it fills this runaway gap. Tesla could drop all the way down to $847, and that would be okay. In my opinion, that would be an incredible opportunity to buy, because Tesla would be near a support level seen in the, not in the daily chart, but in the weekly chart. See this purple trend line? It is connecting Tesla's bottoms since March 2020, since COVID's crash. It is a very nice and reliable support level. We have the 900s support as well, which is this black line, which worked amazingly well last week. And right now, it seems we are doing a false breakout from this support level after a brief retest of the purple trend line. So the bias, long-term speaking, the bias is clearly bullish, all right? Clearly bullish. However, we must wait for a better reaction in the short term. Another problem in Tesla is that the 21 EMA is working as a resistance in the daily chart. So see, the most important key point for us is $943, okay? Which is the purple line in the 1 hour chart, which is near the 21 EMA in the daily chart right now. So yeah, this point is a very problematic one. But the moment we break this point, I firmly believe Tesla can easily retest the 1K. What if not? What if the NASDAQ drops? What if Tesla drops? Again, let's not be surprised if we drop to the Fibonacci's retracements again. In the worst stressful scenario, we're gonna fill this gap. I am not working with this scenario, okay? I do not believe this is going to happen. I still believe the bias is bullish on the NASDAQ, and probably Tesla is going to follow the NASDAQ, although the bias is not bullish over here. It is a sideways correction. But keep in mind, guys, let me look at you for 1 second. Keep in mind, the most important movements in Tesla, they all happened after months of accumulation. We can see that easily from September to November 2020. I don't know why I'm looking at you. Let's look again at the charts over here. Guys, this is Tesla's weekly chart. Tesla's weekly chart. See this accumulation from, let me see here, August. I'm so sorry, I said September, from August 2020 to November 2020. This accumulation lasted for months. It was very stressful, but remember, Tesla went up too fast. It had to rest a little bit. It rested for a few months and it exploded again. And then from January's 21 top level, it rested for almost 1 year until, only in October we could actually break the previous resistance level. So this is Tesla, right? Tesla does that kind of movement. It rests for months and months and months before it can do something good again. But in my humble opinion, I am not saying that Tesla is going to explode from here. But since we are near support levels, I think it is a very smart play to buy Tesla near these support levels. Even if Tesla accumulates for months, keeps dancing over here in this area for until, I don't know, October again, right? This is acceptable. But let's always buy and increase positions when Tesla is near support levels. Are you still watching this video and you didn't click on the like button? Probably you liked the content. Probably you think it was a very good and informative video, so remember to support this channel, click on the like button, subscribe if you are new around. Thank you very much for your support, my friends. Stay safe, farewell.